So we'll solve this last one. This is video number 6 to try to, again, work some trig, right triangle trig. So here we go, right angle. Now we get our choice this time. Let's say we just use the 30-degree angle here in this case. Okay. Now I'm going to label the legs relative to the 30-degree angle. So that's opposite, and that's going to be adjacent. Now, whoops, I'm sorry, that's adjacent. Legs. That's probably why I should have stuck to my rule where label the hypotenuse first. Okay. We want to make sure the legs get opposite and adjacent. The hypotenuse gets that label properly. All right. Now, if we go back to our acronym of SOHCAHTOA, and let's see. Let's say we want to solve for x first. We're going to use the opposite and the adjacent, because the reason we use the adjacent is because it's one of the values that we have. So we're going to go with, in this case, tangent. Right? Opposite and adjacent are what's being used. So tangent is the choice. And of 30 degrees will give me opposite over adjacent. So basically the mechanics that I'm going to use, I'm going to write my acronym first. I'm going to pick which trig function, and I'm going to start doing it. Okay. So tangent of 30. This one's a special right triangle, but we're going to do it with decimals. We haven't gone through that enough to worry about it. So let's just let the calculator calculate the function. Tangent of 30 degrees is 0.5774. All right, now opposite is x, adjacent is 5 square roots of 6. We'll cross multiply. So 1 times x is x, 5 square root of 6. Careful, close that up, right? Times the 0.5774. Again, don't round to the end, and then we'll get 7.701 for x. We wanted nearest 100, sorry, 7.70. Let's get y. We'll just try to squeeze it in here. Okay, so we're going to use now, I'm probably going to go with cosine of the 30-degree angle because, here, we'll write it out quick. All right, I'm going to go with cosine because I want y, and that's the adjacent. Now, I could, of course, do Pythagorean theorem, but let's stick with the trig theme here. I'm going to choose cosine of the 30-degree angle and go with adjacent over hypotenuse. All right, so cosine of 30 is 0.8660. Adjacent is 5 square root of 6. And we have y. So 0.8660y equals 1 times the 5, the square root of 6. Okay, careful on this. 5 by 0.8660. Again, don't round to the end. And we end up with 14.142. If we round that,